KTM showroom, and their back is a 2017 Duke 200. And the bike looks super cool. If you don't believe me, watch it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The people here at the store are so cool, and they also help me a lot. So thank you guys. And as usual, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you like this video, then make sure that you click that like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Peace.